Alright, so today I'm going to show you real quick how to create a Google business profile. It is very important for local search engine optimization. This is what allows you to get reviews from your customers and also to appear on Google Maps. As you know, most likely, or if you don't, that Google has been prioritizing credibility, trustworthiness, and branding a lot more than anything else on a platform right now. So by being listed on Google Maps and getting reviews, that can increase your credibility quite a lot. So when you come to the business Google profile start, you just have to click on start now. Start building your business profile. Thereafter, we can write our business name. So for example, right now I am working through SEO by Moda. So I write SEO by Moda. Thereafter, I need to choose the category. So in this sense, my category will be media company. We click next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? The thing is, if you don't have an physical location, it is still good to write something to add your address into the map, because then you can automatically position yourself in a certain city. And when somebody searches you up, it's a lot more likely that you're going to appear in the search and you're going to get clicked on. So this time I click on yes, and then I click next. Strangaten 1, this is a city in Norway, and I write Bergen. But writing it, of course, there comes a lot of different companies because this is in the middle of the city, and I just click on none of these because I want to be my own company and I want to share it with someone else. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? If you do, if you're, for example, a restaurant that provides takeaway, you can click yes. If you're not a restaurant, then you could just click no, like I do. The contact details, so right now I'm just gonna write just a regular number. You write your website. The thing is, the more information you can provide to Google, the more Google can gather information about your company and trust you more. So by providing as much possible information is always a good choice. So let's write seubymara.com and then we click on next. Since I just wrote a random number, I'm just gonna skip this time. Here we went through verification. You're now verified. You can reply to reviews, turn on chat, and more. The thing is that I am verified from before. Otherwise, you would have to post a picture of both the location that you have put on the Google Business profile, and also you would have to send a picture of a sort of identification. I used my passport and I identified myself as a real person, and then I sent my home office how it looks, and it was good enough for them. So now we click next. Here we can add business hours. Again, if you're an online business, I would just go for 24/7, because in that case, when somebody is searching you up maybe at night, they can still see you open and you're gonna pop up at the top of the list. If you would put the hours up to like 12 o'clock, it might be a possibility that someone might outcompete you. So this time I'm gonna just skip. You add a business description. Again, the more information you can provide to Google, the better, because Google definitely needs to know a little bit more about you so they can trust you. But this time we're just gonna skip. And this is what I meant with the storefront photo. If you don't have a physical store, just add a photo of your home office, of your laptop, or of the address number of your apartment or a house that you're staying at. Yes, add photos of your business. You can also add pictures. The thing is with Google, the more pictures that you have, the more likelihood is that you're going to score higher on Google business profiles. So I would recommend you uploading a lot of pictures around your business, specifically if you have some business photos that involves customers or your product, because that can increase social proof and credibility as well in consumer eyes. But for my case, I will just skip this. Advertise easily in minutes. Yes, you can easily connect this to Google Ads. And if you don't know so much about Google Ads, I will continuously post about it. Or if you can just contact me privately, we can figure something out. This time I will skip. get a custom domain name for your website and a custom email address. It is a very good thing, although for my case, I'm using WordPress, and WordPress has a very good integrated email domain system. It is a lot cheaper, and you can also connect multiple emails through a Titan. So I would recommend that. You can also find that video in my profile about how to connect your email through WordPress. So just check that out. Here we appear on the map. As you can see, we appear in Bergen, and you have all these different settings. So one thing that I would like to focus on for the most part is, again, increase the most possible information about your company, be as accurate as possible, because the more precise you are, the more you can rank higher. Otherwise, I would just recommend to gather reviews, because reviews are one of the most important factors when it comes to ranking on Google. It's really important for the position that you come at. If you like this video, follow, and we definitely have a lot more to help your business grow.